There is more, or less, a general consensus on the inherent value of education. People may often disagree about the right method toward achieving that education. The majority of the population would rather opt for institutionalized formal education offered in public or private education institutions like primary and secondary schools. However, many parents have begun considering and choosing to homeschool their children. Homeschooling, prevalent prior the inception of formalized school systems, is making a return to the mainstream. Parents either do not approve of the curriculum of school systems, are against the idea of formalized school systems, or even find themselves holding greater capacity to educate their children in the best possible manner. Perhaps you are interested in homeschooling your child and you have your own reasons for doing it. But just like picking a school for your child, the decision to homeschool is a very big one. This would most obviously translate to you taking your child out of a previous social learning environment and into the home to educate him or her. This also means that you are going to be fully responsible for the intellectual rearing of your child. It is perhaps for this reason that certain guidelines are set by the state or local education offices before you can begin homeschooling your child. It is best to consider these guidelines first, because your state can help you through the process, and may enlighten you on relevant issues on homeschooling. Majority of states, in the United States, would require a legal minimum of state notification of your intention to homeschool your child. In a rare few states, you may go on ahead with homeschooling your child without informing the state. Other states, however, would require you first to notify the state, and afterwards acquire your child's grade records should he or she have attended a public school. After this, some states may require you to create a curriculum you intend to follow for your homeschooling program, be accredited as a parent-teacher, and to host a home visit by your local education officials. Later on, during the period when your child is already being homeschooled, some states may require for you to submit to them evaluation scores, attendance records, and even test scores. It is very important for you to find out the different requirements for homeschooling in your state. For one, it will help you make sure that once you homeschool your child's education is being recognized by the state. Without state approval, your homeschooling may not be regarded, which may increase the difficulty for your child to move on to a university or college. Second, the state may provide you with various forms and guidebooks as you homeschool your child. This assistance may prove valuable to you, especially if you are homeschooling for the first time. Third, by finding out these requirements, you will be able to submit to the state all the required documents that you must submit periodically. In this way, you are also assured that your child is at par level with any other child enrolled in a regular school setting. In the same manner, by approaching your local education authority, you may actually inquire about the college application process of homeschoolers. Homeschooled children may be required to take a marginal number of steps that regular applicants are not required to take, in order to qualify for their chosen university. Some universities may require your child to take the GED test, an exam that will help test the sufficiency of their knowledge from homeschool, to be considered as qualified college applicants. By visiting your local education authority, you will also find out the various state and local government scholarships for which your child may or may not qualify. While homeschooling may pose some added burden, once you are ready to return your child to a regular school system, it has proven beneficial to many in the past. Visit your state or local government education offices in order to make an educated decision, and in order to get the approval you'd need to push through with homeschooling your child. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.